Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you what all I had for breakfast this week. They are all quick, easy, healthy recipes, so please keep on watching. So for Monday's breakfast, I had overnight oats. Here I have 2 jars, one for myself and one for my husband. I had pre-soaked this on Sunday night itself. They are very easy to make. First, add in a little bit of oats. Next, add in milk. Next, add in about 2 teaspoons of curd each. Next, I'm gonna add in some fruits. To my jar, I have added few blueberries. And for my husband's jar, I'm gonna add in some banana because he doesn't like blueberries. The choice is completely yours. You can add in any type of fruit that you wish. I have already uploaded a video for overnight oats 4 ways recipe. You can check out the link in the description box as well. Finally, I'm gonna sprinkle in a little bit of cinnamon powder or nutmeg powder. I feel it gives a lovely flavor to the overnight oats. So before I close it and keep it away in the fridge, I'm just gonna give it a good mix. So on Monday morning, either you can have it at room temperature or you can warm it up a bit, and that's the breakfast for Monday. So for Tuesday's breakfast, I decided to make some South Indian breakfast like vegetable Uthappam. I usually make the batter on a weekend so that dosa batter is ready for the whole week. So here I'm just taking some dosa batter needed for the morning breakfast in a bowl, and the rest I'll store it back in the fridge. So here I've grated some carrot, finely chopped up some onions and some coriander leaves. So once the pan is quite hot enough, I'm going to pour in the dosa batter. Next, I'm going to add in the chopped up veggies. To this, I'm gonna add in about 1 or 2 spoons of ghee. So once the Uthappam is ready, I'm gonna remove it and put it on a plate. Usually 2 Uthappams are more than enough for breakfast as they are quite heavy. You can have Uthappam just like that or with some chutney puri. They taste really yummy. So for Wednesday's breakfast, it was very simple as it was just me for breakfast. Brinken had left for office really early because of some meeting. So I'm just gonna heat up some milk in the microwave. This is my go-to cereal for breakfast. This is honey bunches of oats with crispy almonds. They were introduced to me by one of my friends and I really love them. They taste awesome. So to the hot milk, I'm gonna add in some mashed up banana. So this is my breakfast for Wednesday. We all have a few days in the week where we are really lazy or we are in no mood to cook breakfast. So I think this is a very good option for it, and it's healthy too. For Thursday's breakfast, I decided to make some bell pepper egg sandwich. For that, I have finely chopped up three different colors of bell peppers: yellow, red and green. Along with that, I have taken a knob of butter and one egg. To a hot pan, add in about 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Once the oil is hot, add in all the bell peppers and let them cook for around 5 to 7 minutes. Next, I'm gonna add in the cracked egg to it. Mix it and let the egg cook completely. Add in salt and cracked pepper for flavor. Switch off the gas once the egg is cooked completely. Next, here I have applied some butter on the bread and I'm gonna toast them. Next, I'm gonna add the filling on the toast slices and cut it into half. You can have the sandwich with a little bit of spicy tomato sauce. It tastes really good. For Friday's breakfast, I'm going to be making some vegetable upma. For that, I have chopped some green bell peppers, 1 medium potato, 1 medium onion and some green chilies. I like the upma to be a little spicier. If you don't want that much spicy, you can reduce the amount of green chilies. To a hot pan, add in some oil and let that heat up. To that, you can add in some mustard seeds and some urad dal. Once they start spluttering, add in the green chilies and the chopped up onions. To this, I'm going to add in a little bit of salt and a little bit of sugar. It helps to caramelize the onions and adds a wonderful flavor. Cover it and let the onions cook for around 7 to 8 minutes on medium-low flame. Next, add in chopped up potato. Cover it and let this cook again until the potatoes are soft enough. Next, add in the bell peppers. To this, I'm gonna add in about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix well, cover it and let this cook for around 5 to 7 minutes. Once this is cooked, I'm going to add in about 1 to 1.5 glasses of water and bring that to a boil. Now finally add in the salt to adjust the taste. Once it starts boiling, completely reduce the stove to the lowest. Now start adding the Upma rava and continuously stir it so that it doesn't form any lumps. Cover this and let this cook until the Upma rava is completely cooked on a low flame. I'm having it with a little bit of mixture and chutney pudi. You can have this with ginger pickle as well. That's one of my favorite too. So that's me enjoying my Friday breakfast. It's one of my favorite dishes to have on a cold morning. Let me know in the comment section if you try out any of these recipes. I would love to read your feedback and comments. Thank you guys for watching. Do follow me on Instagram for daily updates. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to watch more such videos. See you in my next. Bye bye.